Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Glenn and these are the headlines.
People who lost their homes will get compensation of up to 2 lakhs by 15th August. All other compensation by September, CM tells House after heated discussions over floods damages. Transport Minister Marvin Goodino says electric bus is not being used as there is no infrastructure to maintain them. Defence not enforcing new fines for traffic lawbreakers. DGCA extends ban on international flights till August 31st, except in specific cases. Heavy drama witnessed during voting out of Siridhampale Sarpanch Jagdish Gaons. Police lock Panchayat house, motion taken outside. Allegations made against local MLA.
And now for the news in detail. People who lost their homes will get 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees. The assistance will be provided by the 15th of August. Also, homes which have suffered major damage will get up to 1 lakh and those with minor damage will get 25 to 50,000 rupees. This will be released by September, the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant announced in the House on Friday.
Chief Minister was replying to the calling attention on the recent flash floods. Due to incessant and heavy rains, the water levels of Madai and Tilari River had risen. This led massive flooding in the surrounding villages. Major loss of property was reported. Chief Minister said government is trying to give maximum compensation to flood victims.
1.5 ते 2 लाख रुपया 15 ऑगस्टाच्या पयलीं घर डेमोलिश जाला ताका आमी दिता. जेचे घर आमी म्हणटा डेमोलिश सांगना बट तरी सुद्दां ताका मेजर डॅमेज जाल्या त्या मनशाक आमी 1 लाख पर्यंत 1 लाख हेवटेन तेवटेन जातलो कितें तो ती पर्यंत मदत दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. आनी जाका मायनर डॅमेज जाल्या ताका 25 ते 50 हजार रुपया पर्यंत ह्या रेटींतल्यान कारण तेंचे नॉर्म्स NDMSाचे असले जाल्यार ताका एडिशनल एमावंट घालून कारण आमच्या जे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर मामलेदार जे ग्राउंड लेवलाचेर हे सगळे पळयता ताका मॅक्झिमम मदत अशा पद्दतीत करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. जितक्यो फॅमिलीज ज्यो आसल्यो जेंकां जवळपास आतां पर्यंत आमी 1083 फॅमिलीजांक म्हणटा तशे वेगवेगळे सगळे ग्रॉसरी आयटम आनी हे ते सगळे हेजे डिस्ट्रिब्यूट केल्ले आसा. 70 केला, धारबांदोड्या केला, दिवचल तालुक्यांत केला, बार्देसांत केला आनी हेजो आतां पर्यंत तेंच्यांनी हे काडला. इट इज एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 91,22,989 हो एस्टिमेट रेडी केला. हो आतां पर्यंत रफ एस्टिमेट आसा. हो प्रत्येक केस टू प्रत्येक विलेज वायज गेल्या उपरांत हो अजूनय फायनलायज जातलो. फ्लडाच्या वेळारचो रिलीफ माननीय पंतप्रधानान स्वता फोन करून हाजेंय विचारलें. आमी आमचो रिपोर्ट रेडी केला. फाटल्याय सायक्लोनाचो फक्त नॉर्म्सांत घालून आमकां परत आमी धाडिल्ले. धांवते सायक्लोनाची रिलीफ आमकां मेळपाची आसा. फक्त तांच्यांनी एकदां परत आमकां फॉर्मेटान घालून धाड म्हणून सांगलेलें तेंय धाडल्या. बट ह्याय फ्लडा खातीर रिलीफ मेळटली आनी आमी मेजर म्हणजे पयली रिलीफ जी आसा ही मेजर जेचें घर पडलां ताका 15 ऑगस्ट पर्यंत दिता आनी उरलेल्यांक आमी मॅक्झिमम टू मॅक्झिमम 30 तारीख किंवा फुडें सप्टेंबर म्हयनो पर्यंत मॅक्झिमम जितकी रिलीफ दिवप शक्य तितकी दिता.
MGP MLA Ramakrishna Sudin Dhawlikar said repairs and building of houses should be handed over to PWD, saying the amount given as compensation won't be enough to raise the structure back.
GSR प्रमाणे PWD के सगळें दिया. Let PWD submit all these estimates within 15 days today. आज हांव तुमकां सादे म्हजे कडेन सगळें आसा आनी आय एम वेल अवेअर ऑफ इट. लोड बियरिंग स्ट्रक्चर जे आसा विथ टायल एंड शीट रूफिंग ₹8,000 पर स्क्वेअर मीटर पडटा. दिया तांकां गरज आसा. फ्रेम स्ट्रक्चर विथ स्लॅब ₹12,000 पर स्क्वेअर मीटर पडटा. 12,000 तुवें काम केलें जाल्यार. रिपेअर ऑफ हाऊस विथ मड वॉल्स टायल रूफ ऑर शीट 6,000 पर स्क्वेअर मीटर पडटा. रिपेअर ऑफ रिटेनिंग वॉल विथ लॅटराइट स्टोन 1,000 पर म्हणजे ही जी रिटेन वॉल गेल्या पळय लोकांच्यो 1,000 पर रनिंग मीटर फॉर ए 1.5 मीटर हायट. हे नॉर्म्स आसा PWDचे आनी त्या प्रमाणे तुमी वचचे. हे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर कितें करता ताजेर तुमी वचचे न्हय कारण तांचे नॉर्म्स आर टोटली डिफरंट नॉर्म्स. जेन्ना जेन्ना असो पावस पडटालो हांवें स्वता तुमकां फोन केल्या आनी हें करपाकूच जाय. दीस इज अ एक्सपेरिमेंट आनी हो एक्सपेरिमेंट करीत रावपाक जाय ना जाल्यार जायना. आनी त्या खातीर तुमचे कडेन मागता ही सगळीं जी घरां आसा ती तांकां कंपेन्सेशन दिवचे पेक्षा तुमची टीम घाला इंजिनियराची इंजिनियर बेकार आसा काम ना तांकां तुमकां पयशे हे मेळटलेच सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा कडच्यान इंजिनियरां काम ना तांकां काम दिया तांचे कडच्यान हें काम करून घेया जाय जाल्यार एक गांव म्हजे कडेन दिया हांव बांदून दिता तुमकां आय एम कॅपेबल पयशे मात्र दिया.
Samip Narvekar and Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Purvarim.
Goa was shaken up in the flash floods on the 23rd of July. Official numbers say that 426 houses were damaged, but locals say that there were more than 500 houses that were affected. Heavy losses were reported in Usgaon Ganje, Kurti Khandepar, Kandola, Wangurme and Savivere. People are yet to recover from the devastating floods. Now village elders say it is better to use natural water reservoirs once again to avoid floods. Here's more.
426 houses in Ponda have faced damage, says authorities. They will be compensated soon, Deputy Collector informed. However, some locals say a thought has to be given to replace big dams with water harvesting from water resources like spring, mini waterfall, wells, lakes, which will be beneficial and safe for Goa. Listen to what Mullah Sheikh and Professor Namdev Naik has to say.
पर्यावरण तज्ञ गोंय सारख्या प्रदेशांक सांगतात मोठे धरणाची जावं मोठी जे आमी जलाशय करतात त्याची गरज नासतना जे प्रत्येक गांवांतले जी संसाधनां आसा सो प्रत्येक गांवांतले रिसोर्स आसा प्रत्येक गांवांतले उदक आसा तेंचे उपाय म्हणजे तळयो बांयो न्हंयो ज्यो ते ठरावीक वाठारांत आसा तांचो उपयोग ह्या गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांनी जर आमी परत केलो बरे भशेन केलो जाल्यार असले प्रसंग फुडाराक येवपाक शकनात. फोंडें म्हालांत जवळ जवळ 500 घरांक प्रत्यक्ष अप्रत्यक्ष रित्या नुकसाण जालें. त्याच प्रमाणे मुखेल अशी घरां पूर्ण घरां जवळ जवळ 525 घरां मोठ्या प्रमाणात कोलॅप्स जाली. तांची सर्वे करून तांकां नुकसाण भरपाई बेगिनात बेगीन दिवपाची गरज आसा. तेंगेलो जो कोसळ्ळो संवसार आसा तो संवसार बेगिनात बेगीन तातडीचे उपाय योजना करून कार्ययंत्रणेन सगळ्यांनी बेगिनात बेगीन पावलां उबारून तांकां नुकसाण भरपाई दिवची आनी तेंगेले संवसार जे उद्ध्वस्त जाल्यात ते पूर्वरत करचे.
सगळ्यान पयली हील कटींग आहा ती सगळ्यान पयली बंद जावपाक जाय. दुसरें म्हणटा ते पळय जे रानां बीन आहा ती कट करपाक जायना तेजेर कितें ना कितें सिस्टम जावपाक जाय आनी जे गटार सिस्टम जावपाक जाय सारकी हे सगळे पंचायत सगळे मेळून करपाक जाय गव्हर्मेंटान बी. दीस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. जाल्यार ती बुट्टी आमकां येत रावतली आनी आमी लोक आहा पळय स्पेशली जे गांवचे लोक आहा गरीब लोक आहा पळय ते गरीब लोकांक जाता त्रास.
Deputy Collector Pradeep Naik reviewed Ponda after floods. He said people will be compensated after sending the assessment report to the state level disaster management committee and South Goa collector.
आमच्या इन्स्पेक्शनाप्रमाणे टोटल आमची डॅमेज झाले लोकांच्या घरात ती 426 टोटल फिगर. तेतूंतल्यान टोटल डॅमेज जाल्यात हाऊस फुली कॉलॅप्स म्हणजे कंप्लीट डॅमेज जाले ती 21 घरां जाल्या. पार्टली डॅमेज जाल्या म्हणजे एक भिंत पडली किंवा एक वरांड्याची कितें पडली ती 95 आणि उदक घरांत गेल्ले अशे केसी जाले ते 310. सो टोटल 426 केसी आमचे कडेन रजिस्टर जाले.
खंय खंय इफेक्ट जाल्ले सर?
इफेक्ट जाला आमच्या उसगांव गांजे कुर्टी खांडेपार कांडोळा आणि वागुर्मे सावयवेरें हे एक चड इफेक्ट जाला. तेतूंतले सगळ्या पेक्षा चड इफेक्ट जाला तो उसगांव गांजे. तितून जवळ जवळ 231 लोक इफेक्टेड झाले बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फ्लड आणि टोटल घरां पयली 15 घरां टोटल डॅमेज झाली आणि पार्टली डॅमेज झाले ती 56 आणि उदक घरांत गेल्ले केसी आहा ते 160. आम्ही आता ते सगळे केसी ऑलरेडी आम्ही धाडले कलेक्टराक. आता कलेक्टर डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट स्टेट लेवल कमिटी आसा दी कमिटी विल डिसायड अँड दे विल सँक्शन द डॅमेजीस टू द इफेक्टेड पर्सन.
सर फुल्ली कॉलॅप्स जालें तांकां कितले पयशे मेळटले?
एक्चुअली इट इज डिपेंड ऑन गव्हर्मेंट पण आमची डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंटाच्या हेज्या प्रमाणे 25,000 आमी दिताले म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंट दितालो.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
The Director General of Civil Aviation has further extended the ban on international flights till August 31st. International commercial flights to and from India had been banned till July 31st as of now. International passenger flights were first suspended on March 23rd. Domestic flights resumed in May.
However, a circular by the DGCA says that international scheduled flights may be allowed on selected routes by the competent authority on a case-to-case basis. The restriction doesn't apply to international all-cargo operations and flights specifically approved by DGCA. Goa 365 Bureau.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. It's not possible to set up infrastructure for items before they are purchased. The State Transport Minister Marvin Goodino said today when asked about why so many of the electric buses that were purchased were just lying in garages, rusting. He also said that Goa had asked the centre if the amount of fines for not following traffic laws could be reduced. Here's more.
The Goa government had purchased around 50 new electric buses in a push for greener transportation. But so far, many of these buses are lying in the garages since their procurement, which is a waste of public money. Here's what the Transport Minister had to say regarding the issue.
See, that is dealt by a separate corporation. Corporation has to deal with that matter. I have already pulled them up that as to why some buses are not used. आता थिंगा एक प्रॉब्लेम जाल्लो आसा जो बसीस सप्लाय केल्लो तो तेणे सपोर्ट इक्विपमेंट जे येवपा जाय सपोर्ट फॅसिलिटीज चार्जिंग स्टेशन जी बसोवपा जाय वेवस्थीतपणे तेजें काम जालें ना आमी आनी बसीस प्रोक्योर करपा आसले पूण हेंच तरी सारके जाग्यार बसना सद्या आमी दुसऱ्यो बसी घेवया ना गोंयांच न्हय गुजरातानूय मागला बाकीचे स्टेटीनीय मागला फायन्स जे चड आहा ते सारके चड आसा म्हूण आनी स्पेशली तुमकां खबर आसा तुमी केन्ना चुकोन हेल्मेट घालूना आनी जाल्यार सारके 500 रुपये दिताले ते 1000 दिल्यार 2000 दिल्यार इट विल पिंच युअर पॉकेट सेम वे अदर फायन्स फ्रॉम 1000 एकदम 10,000चेर बीन वयल्यार नॅचरली एवरीबडी विल फील सो आमकांय फिलींग आसा लोकांचे काळजी करता म्हूण ते आमी इम्प्लिमेंटूय करूना आनी आमी सेंटरा बरयला विथ द होप दॅट ते कमी करतले म्हूण ते.
The Transport Minister was speaking at the launch of 4 new vehicles using funds from the Road Safety Fund worth over 44 lakh rupees to be part of the Enforcement Department today. Marvin also said an additional 4 new vehicles would be procured along with speed guns and cameras to bolster traffic discipline.
आमी ह्यो 4 व्हेकल लॉन्च केला आनी 4 येवपाचे आसा फॉर एनफोर्समेंट सो दॅट देर इज स्ट्रिक्ट एनफोर्समेंट बाय आवर डिपार्टमेंट आनी इट इज अ फर्स्ट इन द सेन्स पयलींच खेपे रोड सेफ्टी फंड्स जे आसा आमी ते फंड्स युटिलायज करून ह्यो व्हेकल आमी एक्वायर केल्ल्यो आसा स्पीड गन्सूय आमी एक्वायर करतले so that my people are more well equipped as far as enforcement is concerned to prevent accidents on the road. Recently, Supreme Court committee was monitoring as to what are the safety measures taken by all the states. That committee visited Goa also and त्या कारणा लागून आमी strengthen करपा केला आनी पयलेच खेपे रोड सेफ्टी फंड्स युटिलायज जाता इवन व्हेकल घेवपा स्पीड गन्स घेवपा बाकीचे ही इक्विपमेंट आमकां जाय ते रोड सेफ्टी तर्फेन आमी करतले आनी हें केल्यारूच म्हाका दिसता एक्सिडेंट आमचे कमी जातले आनी लोक जे रस्त्यार मरता ती संख्या जो आंकडो येता तो कमी येतलो.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panji.
Heavy drama was witnessed during the voting out of Siridhampale Sarpanch Jagdish Gans through a no confidence motion on Friday. Police locked the Panchayat house citing theft, and as a result, voting on the no confidence motion was taken outside the Panchayat. The issue came up for discussion in the assembly, with the local MLA being blamed for the politics.
Voting for no confidence motions against the Sarpanch came up on Friday morning. However, police stopped the secretary from entering into the office saying that there was a theft complaint. As the Panchayat was locked, Panchayats took meeting outside the Panchayat Ghar and voted out the Sarpanch. Later on, the opposition in the house alleged that the local MLA used police force to save his person from the no confidence motion.
पहिले सुवातेर म्हाका म्हणून घेता कित्याक वो लोक ओके ह्या लोकांक दाखयली ही पंचायत कोणाची पळय ती ही पंचायत पुलिशेची न्हू म्हाका आमकां पुलिशेची गरज ना कित्याक हो सरपंच जगदीश जाला पळय तेन्ना अशीच पुलीस आहले आनी हांव सरपंच जाला पळय तेन्ना एक पुलीस नाहलो कित्याक हो लोक आसलो ह्या लोकांक आमकां पुलिशेची गरज ना कित्याक आमी गुंडा न्हू आमी कितेंच करपी न्हू पूण हांव इतलेंच मागता ह्या लोकांक आयज दाखोवन दिलें ही लोकांची पंचायत आनी हांव तुमकां लोकांक दाखोवन दिता ही पंचायत तुमकां जाय पळय तशी चलतली ही पंचायत आगशी चलची ना ही पंचायत हिंगाच चलतली आनी तुमकां जाय पळय तो सरपंच ताका म्हाका ऑफरी जायत्यो येयल्यो हे ऑफरीचेर रावना तेणे म्हणलें तूं सरपंच दा हे मोशन हाती व्हर हांव तसलो मनीस न्हू हांव बीजेपीक आख्खे 7 आंधळ्यान जेन्ना सिल्वेरा निवडून येयलो 2017 फकत 7 आंधळ्यान पंचायत फकत आसली बीजेपीची सिद्धोंची आनी पारीकराच्या फुड्यान सीएमाच्या लॉनार आमी फोटो मारलेलो आयज ती पंचायत हांव सांगूंक सोदतां बीजेपीच्या मनशांक ऑर्गनायजेशनाक ही पंचायत कोणाक इन द नेम ऑफ द बीजेपी ऑर्गनायजेशन उडयली वो इंडिविज्युअल एका एमएलएक लागून उडयली आनी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ सपोर्टिंग बीइंग लॉयल टू द बीजेपी दूख भोगता खरेंच दूख भोगता एकलो शिकून आसलो 9 वर्सां बीजेपीच्या सांगाताक दूख बसली गुंडा धाडप कितें कसलें राजें
जालो कामिलो मार्कीस आयज हांव उलयता रडोंक येता म्हाका कित्याक हांव काल म्हाज्या इतले भितर आसलो थिंगा म्हाका 25 जाण गुंडा धाडले रोड घेवन ते हांव फोन म्हाका हेंच्यांनी कॉल केलें आनी तेणी कसोय पूण पाव म्हणून घ्या आनी कितली ताकद हे केल्या पळय ती हांव आमचो जगदीश भोबे जाणा
मावसर धाडले
आयज इतल्या जाणांक हांव सगळ्यांक हात जोडून मागता
आमी नको
केन्नाच करिनाका
William Rodriguez for Goa 365 from Sirdao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Central Board of Secondary Education or CBSE 2021 results saw a total of 12,96,318 students clear the class 12 exam with a pass percentage of 99.37%.
Last year, a total of 88.78% students had passed. The pass percentage among girls in 2020 was 92.15% and among boys was 86.19%. The pass percentage among transgender students was 66.67%. Students who wish to improve their scores in exams that were cancelled will be allowed to write an optional examination. Those results will be treated as final for those who take this option. The exams will be held soon as conditions are conducive. Text plate, salient points. A total of 12,96,318 students cleared the exam. Pass percentage of 99.37%. In 2020, 88.78% of students had passed. Girls have done better than boys by 0.54% this year. Girl students' results are 99.67%. Boys recorded a pass percentage of 99.13%. Salient points. CBSE has activated 3 links to download the class 12th result 2021. Through DigiLocker, students can have direct access to important documents including mark sheets, pass certificates, migration certificates and skill certificates online by just logging into the account. Goa 365 Bureau.
Now for some weather. A few spells of rain with thunder showers with short intense spells very likely tomorrow. These are likely to be accompanied by winds occasionally gusting to around 40 km per hour. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 32 degrees centigrade and 25 degrees centigrade respectively. However, the monsoon was weak over the state with light to moderate rainfall occurring at most places today.
Local forecast 24 hours. A few spells of rain, thunder showers with short intense spells very likely. Winds occasionally gusting to around 40 km per hour very likely. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 32 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. 48 hours. A few spells of rain, thunder showers with short intense spells very likely. Winds occasionally gusting to around 40 km per hour very likely. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 32 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. Fishermen warning for Maharashtra Goa coast. Up to 75 km from the coast. Squally weather, strong winds reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour likely to prevail along and off South Maharashtra coast from 30th July to 3rd August 2021. Fishermen are advised not to venture along and off South Maharashtra Goa coast during the above mentioned period. Beyond 75 km. Squally weather with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour, likely to prevail along and off Gujarat coast and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea from 30th July to 3rd August 2021. Squally weather with wind speeds reaching 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting to 70 km per hour, likely to prevail over northeast Arabian Sea from 30th July to 3rd August 2021. Strong wind speeds reaching 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting to 70 km per hour, likely to prevail over west central, east central and adjoining southwest Arabian Sea from 30th July to 3rd August 2021. Fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas during the above mentioned period. High wave warning. High waves in the range of 2.5 to 4.3 meters are predicted during 17:30 hours on 29th July 2021 to 23:30 hours of 31st July 2021 along the coast from Maharashtra, Malvan to Vasai of Maharashtra coast. High waves in the range of 2.5 to 3.7 meters are forecasted during 17:30 hours on 29th July 2021 to 23:30 hours of 31st July 2021 along the coast of Goa between Vengurla to Vasco. High waves in the range of 2.5 to 5 meters are forecasted during 17:30 hours on 29th July 2021 to 23:30 hours of 31st July 2021 along the coast from Jakhau to Diu, head of Gujarat coast. Goa 365 Bureau with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.